this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. But since I came here, felt the joy and the fear, finding myself making every possible mistake. La 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 la.
We're open. Dude, it's crazy out here. Crap, what's going on? I don't know, but a plane just exploded over there. Holy crap, dude, my house just got blown up. My family's dead. I'm the only one alive for my family. In fact, I think me and you are the only guys alive in this city. Alright. I think we should go the way that the alien beam is not coming. That way. Alien beam? Yo, Lunchbox, look over there. What kind of stuff we've been smoking? Snooze the news, man? Oh!